Here's a 1950s General Electric fan. They marketed this as the all-purpose fan because you could put it on the floor, the table, the window, anywhere, because it also tilts up and down. It's a 2-speed model. This model runs like a champ. It's all original and really well constructed. There are no cracks or breaks anywhere in the housing. And let me demonstrate it for you. We'll start on low speed. It's got the push button switch off to the side. It's a 10-inch blade and it moves a lot of air for its size. No vibration. We'll go to the high speed. Has a nice spin down time. And you can tilt it up and down for wherever you want the airflow to be directed. Very nice design and a very good seller for General Electric. Thank you so much for watching.